Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to deactivate Canva account easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, the first step for this one is to make sure that you're currently in or log in onto your Canva account. So just head on to canva.com and log in onto your account. And once you're already in here, you should be able to see this gear icon here onto the upper part corner of the screen that says settings. Simply click onto that one and then you'll get redirected onto your account settings. So right after that, to deactivate your account, just head here onto login and security onto the left side and scroll down further until you find and delete your account. So deactivating your account is just the same with deleting your account. So if you click onto delete account in here, you should be able to find in that after you submit the form for deletion to just simply deactivate this, you have 14 days to log back in again to restore it before it is permanently deleted. So to deactivate this, just make sure to log back in again before 14 days to go ahead and restore your account. So if you permanently delete this, just don't log back into your account for 14 days. And these are the following items that will be deleted: your designs, templates, folders, all uploaded media, teams that you have created, including personal. So they will send you a code onto the email that you're using onto canva.com. Just enter that code in here to proceed and then click onto the delete account again in here to completely delete your account or deactivate this for 14 days. And that is just basically it, how you deactivate your account in Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.